Yeah, hello and welcome. My name is Dennis Hoppe. I'm head of Converged Computing at HLRS, and I'm proud to present to you today this invited talk about physical AI and robotics, which is also a very new topic for us here at the ISC, and I'm pretty sure that we will see that much more coming also in the future. Before we start with the two experts that we have invited today, I also would like to introduce this topic a little bit to you from our perspective. We are talking often in the recent years about having these massive LLMs. We are needing more compute. And the shift is already going from training more to inference. But from my perspective, the next frontier will be basically going also from this digital world, where the worst case happen is that you have an hallucinated line of text at some point to the physical world. So integrating LLMs and AI models into robotics, into autonomous driving. This already happens today, but it's still a new frontier for us, which we have to tackle at some point. And with robotics and autonomous driving, we are also facing new challenges, especially at this area. You need to have then smaller models again, because we are then on edge devices. We don't have any more 100,000 GPUs to compute anything, but we are on a very special device with low latency and low energy costs. And so we have to gap basically also how to go from large-scale training to very fast inference and on these edge devices. And so having this physical digital data loop, we have basically four main steps to go, and you will also see that in the following talks as well. This is a repeated pattern that you will see, that we combine here basically simulations, training of AI models. Then there comes a very crucial aspect, the deployment, so going from the digital domain to the physical world. And in this physical world, when we deploy these models in robotics or cars, we are then often collecting additional metrics to refine our simulation and training. So we have basically this feedback loop, and it's really a challenge nowadays to combine all these different steps to have a seamless workflow. So we are, I think, experts in all of these domains independently, but the whole workflow is a challenge for us. And to overcome this challenge, one potential IT backbone for physical AI in the future could be the Euro HPC AI factories, which are currently established across all member states of the European Union. I'm pretty sure you have seen this image from the Euro HPC, where we have now established 19 AI factories across Europe. One of them will be also located at my data center in Stuttgart. It's called Hammerhai, which will go into operation towards the end of this year. And there we will really have then AI-optimized supercomputers, where we also want to support these orchestrated workflows, really bringing then AI also to the physical world. And so we are facing some challenges here, which will be addressed in the following talks.